Hi there, and welcome to the video on how to navigate the Amelia mobile app. Let's get started. The Amelia mobile app is free to download. You can log in using your personal account login information. Once logged in, you'll see the schedule for all activities that people in your account are enrolled in. If you tap on any of these activities, you can see information about the activity itself. This schedule is useful for staying on top of everything going on with the people in your account. Tap on the Account button to see a list of your account members. Tapping on one of these members will display their name, Amelia ID, barcode, and photo. This barcode is useful for certain features that an organization you shop with may be using, such as scanning in when you arrive at a facility. You can update the person's photo from here as well. Lastly, tap on Settings to view a few more settings. Tap Wallet to get to your personal account easily and update your payment methods. The user agreement is the agreement between yourself and Amelia for using the app, along with the privacy policy. You can also switch between French and English from here, or log out if needed. That's it for the Amelia mobile app. See you next time.